Good evening, everyone. I have an update for you guys on your Clipper system that is going to be sweeping through the Northeast U.S. Just want to let you guys know that I haven't been feeling that well. I've been feeling pretty sick, dealing with a pretty bad cold. So, because it's hard for me to talk for like a long period of time with a sore throat, I'm gonna be doing two separate videos on for the first this one, which will be based on the Clipper, and then second one based on the big week ahead with your big and active pattern that will be bringing a lot of snowstorms to the eastern half of the U.S. So we got a lot to talk about, and we'll get into the update. So we're looking at right now your weather alerts, and you can see, for the most part, it's literally just your winter weather advisory out for northern Michigan, southern Wisconsin, and northern Iowa. So, I mean, it's not much to talk about just because we're gonna leave this to the other video, just because this is part of your kind of big week ahead. But right now we're just gonna be focusing on the Clipper system. So that's pretty much it for the alerts in terms of what's been happening because of the Clipper. We'll take a look now at the FV3 high resolution model for the North Central, and you can see that right now it's 8:38. So we'll put this to 8 o'clock. Excuse me. Here's 8 o'clock. Watch this this band of very heavy snow that could move through northern Michigan. And this will also be impacting pretty much all the way from northern Michigan down to possibly even Ohio. So watch out for that. And that's going to pretty much just keep intensifying, weakening, and then re-intensifying. And that's pretty much going to be the pattern for this system. And then that's pretty much how it's going to go until it moves into the Northeast. And then you're pretty much done with that. Then this is actually a piece of energy that I guess we could talk about in this update, even though it's not part of our Clipper. It could bring a few inches of snow additionally to counties in southern Minnesota, southern Wisconsin, and northern Iowa. You can see that we keep playing this. This also moves into Michigan, and then that's the beginning of your next major system. We're going to look at the Northeast now for this storm, and you can see, put this to right now, and you can see it's actually snowing in northwestern Pennsylvania. We had a few reports of some snow, a little bit heavy, around the border between northern Ohio and northwestern Pennsylvania, but that's pretty much what's been happening at the latest, and then this continues throughout the overnight hours, and this turns to mostly snowfall and then kind of just falls apart in the middle of the night and diminishes as we move into the afternoon hours when the storm is now pretty much getting out of Maine. So that's pretty much it for the Clipper, and we're just going to be taking a look now at our snow totals. Excuse me, I'm really sick, guys. I don't know what it is, but I'm just very sick. So, please stay patient with me. Here you go. Here's your snow totals. You can see that right off the bat, you can see that you're pretty much going to top off right in this area, which would be northern Michigan. And you can see you got 3 inches. So 3 inches of snow could fall in northern Michigan. So this is from that small band of very heavy snow. And this is going to be accumulating pretty rapidly as this system moves in very fast. So you can see in West Central Michigan, you have pretty much 2 inches scattered along the kind of borderline between the lakes and Michigan. But that's pretty much it for Michigan. And then upstate New York, you're topping off at 3 inches as well. This tiny pocket of leftover snow could bring a few more inches to upstate New York as well. Also bringing a pocket of snow that could deliver. 1 second as we get rid of that. Sorry. That could deliver 3 inches, 2 inches, as I should say, to northwest Pennsylvania. So that snow, that band of snow that's going to bring 2 inches that we're looking at right now, it's actually about to happen because of those reports that we've been talking about earlier in northwestern Pennsylvania. That's gonna wrap up this update. This is the update on the Clipper system. I have another video posted on your big week ahead, so go ahead and watch that. But thank you for watching this short update on your Clipper, and I'll try to post a update tomorrow if I feel good enough to do it tomorrow. But thanks for staying patient with me, and thanks for watching this update. So we'll catch you guys in the next one.